Alright guys, welcome back to Soai. I just left one of the sketchiest looking restaurants. Like, yo, if you guys want to check out that video, check in the description box, or it was the last upload. So to put you up to speed, I'm currently in Chinatown doing a little Asian food crawl. This is going to be restaurant number 3. We're heading to Baji Baji. Now, the sad thing is, as I walk there, I noticed that Baji Baji opens at 4:30 today. Well, I'm a little bit stuffed, so it gives me some time to clear that food off and get there. Now, so far, the food in Chinatown, if you've been to Chinatown, you know the quality of the food here, the prices of the food here is something else. Now, with Baji Baji, it should be a little bit more expensive for me today on the tour because it's going to be serving a lot more heavier foods like curry and fried chicken and stuff like that. It is said to be one of the very popular spots here in Manhattan, so you know your boy's gonna go there and check it out. So far today, I have spent I've been to 2 spots and I've spent maybe around, drop in the comments if you have an idea how much I spent. Now to give you a little hint, I had 5 different things today, 5 different dishes. How much do you think I spent? Somewhere in the video, I'll tell you what the total cost was, but drop in the comments. That's a great way to interact with me as well, guys. If you like videos like these, you know, just showing raw, real New York, definitely drop in the comments and interact with me. I'll definitely respond to it once I see it. I'm deciding to go catch the bus. It's hard for me to understand how to catch the bus. The trains I've understood already. The buses are a little bit tricky. Sometimes you gotta figure out, should you go on the left side or the right side? Yeah, well, we'll figure it out today. All right, I think I figured it out. We're catching the M15. I could get lost. I got a lot of time. It's like somewhere around like 2:30 right now, and Baji Baji opens at 4:30. So if you're ever thinking of coming here, do not come before 4:30 because they will not be open. All right, so I just jumped on the bus. I assume it's the right bus because I was filming something on Instagram and the bus pulled up and I'm like, yo, I'm just gonna go on this bus. So, all right, so I'm on the bus. For those who want to know, it's like $2.15 I think per trip on the bus. So we're headed there. Hopefully I don't get lost. Just got off my bus and I have no clue where I'm at. It says that Baji Baji is like 150 feet away. But what time is it? It's now 2:50, so that means I still have an hour and 40 something minutes. Damn, all right. Let me see if I can find something like really cool close by. Maybe a boba shop or something. I don't know. That was interesting. Truck almost ran that red light, damn. Yeah, speaking of boba shop, I don't know if I said that, I need to use the bathroom. And this is another thing about New York, man. You need to use the bathroom. Yeah, not everyone's gonna cater for you. All right, maybe the boba shop might have something. I just found a spot 25 minutes away, but I'm not walking 25 minutes and I'm not going back on a train either. Yo, if I only have my e-bike. If I only have my e-bike.
So hear this, I finally got a helmet. Yes, after everyone in the comments roasted me into safety. And while I do feel like a superhero on wheels now, I still ride like I'm dodging banana peels carting around New York. Because let's be real, biking around New York City is not for the faint of heart. Negligent drivers are practically a local species. It happened to my neighbor actually. He got clipped by a car and all he said was,
"Yeah, I just tossed my scooter in the closet and took me out."
Why? He didn't have the money to go after the driver. And that's where Morgan & Morgan comes in. When insurance companies hit you with the
"Here's $50 and a pack of gum"
type of settlement, Morgan & Morgan is for the people. And the best part, you don't pay unless they win. They are the biggest injury law firm across the United States with over 1,000 attorneys in all 50 states. Oh, and just in case if you're wondering if they're legit, they recently won $12 million in Florida. That's 34 times the top insurance offer, and 26 million in Philly. That's 40 times the top insurance offer. So yeah, they don't play. If you ever get seriously injured, your case could be worth millions. And you're only a few clicks away from changing your life. It's really easy. You can start your claim now with Morgan & Morgan with my special link, which is www.forthepeople.com/soy. Found in my description box or by scanning the code that you can find on the screen using your cell phone.
I'm just gonna do something that I usually do, just walk the city. New York has so much to see, and not all the time you need to do an itinerary. So I know you might be coming to New York and you're using this video as a means to figure it out, but sometimes just walk the damn city, you know? Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna walk down the block and maybe I'll encounter something good. All right, so stopped in a place called Veselka. I really wanted to use the bathroom, essentially, but I'm ordering a cappuccino. We're just killing time. Shouldn't even be at the tables for this, so I'm just gonna record this here and then go up at a table and have a cappuccino. Time check, it's now 3:20. My God, we still have an hour and 10 minutes left. But I chose this place because it's been open for about 70 years. I could have gone to a Starbucks, but yeah, it seems to be a place that is rich in history for Manhattan here. So yeah, that was my reason behind it. I won't eat anything here. The food looks interesting. Customer base does look interesting as well. But yeah, just gonna stick to the coffee, and after that, we'll go to Baji Baji. Okay, so we relocated a little bit. Sometimes you just gotta respect the restaurant. So I got up. The waitress was willing to have me sit there, but I'm like, nah, let somebody else who wants to dine in have the chance of that seat. And I actually like this seating even more. I'm a big fan of diners. I haven't really showed a lot of that on my channel thus far. I went to one the other day. I think I'm gonna take you guys there eventually. Diners are a huge part of American food culture. Here is my cappuccino. Nice with the froth on top. Perfect way to kill some time on a very cold day. You know what's killer? This coffee is $5, and I had a meal for $5 in the past 2 videos. Yeah. All right, I've been waiting out here for quite some time, and finally they are open. So a quick rundown of this place. They are basically a quick stop type of restaurant. I doubt there's much seating inside, very small, quick grab and go. I've heard that the wings here are pretty good, so that might be something I'm gonna be getting. And yeah, let's go inside and let's see if this place lives up to the hype. I absolutely love this, the whole graffiti look here. Fits right into New York. If you've ever been on a subway or you see some buildings in Brooklyn, the shutters full of graffiti. So why not sometimes embrace the art? All right, so heading in. Yeah, I'm probably one of the first customers. Smells like a Chinese restaurant in here. Ooh, it's very artsy. Whoever owns this spot definitely loves art. Yo, the walls are full of this graffiti. This is interesting, bro. All right, so this is the menu here. Mainly buns, dumplings, lau mans, fried rices, stuff like that. People are lining up already. Must be good. Must be good. Bunch of people in there, bro. It's good. All right, so after, what time did I get here? I got here like guys remember the time I got here. It was like a very long time. I got one of the very first orders. Your wait time, you're gonna have to wait somewhere around like, they tell you 25 minutes, it probably took like about 15. And a bunch of people are already inside. I heard some people talking about TikTok, so obviously they saw it on social media. Well, let's see if it's worth the hype. How much did I pay? I paid $17 and something. It comes with, well, I got a combo, which is the bone-in wings with pork fried rice. You don't pay extra for the pork fried rice. And comes with a bottle of water. Similar to most Chinese restaurants, they'll give you a free soda with a meal. And this box, it smells really good. They open until 11 o'clock today, and on the weekends they open until 12, so it seems like it could be one of the better fried wings if you're coming from a late night out. Could be one of the better ones. And some people say it's one of the best wings in New York City. Let's see. Ooh. Okay, it looks good, but does it look different from any fried wing? No, it doesn't. Let's start off with some of this pork fried rice. I still think so far the best fried rice I've had is at that spot in the Bronx. Let's see if this one is better. The fried rice itself is pretty good. The pork for me, however, it's a little bit dry, the pork. But the veg in there and the onions are perfect. And the fried rice itself is good. So far, the food has been worth it because I waited a very long time for this and it's cold as a outside. Like right now it's like 40 something degrees. It's crazy. But the fried rice is fire. The pork is just a little bit dry for me. On to the wings. Super crispy, nice Korean style fry on it. I already know these wings gotta hit. My honest opinion, I'm just a little bit disappointed, not because it's bad, but you see those other two places I went to today, like they were hyped up and you go there and you have the food and you go, whoa, you know, this is different. It's a good fried chicken wing. Fried rice is good, but honestly, I'm just a little bit underwhelmed. It's not because it's bad. I waited 2 hours. They did offer me a home sauce. I'm gonna try that and see if it's gonna give the wings like something like special or different. This is their home sauce. You can get the typical, you know, those Chinese sauces in the those little packets. But let's see if this sauce is gonna hit. All right, these wings have a super nice color to them now with this sauce. Let's try it. This sauce definitely gives it additional couple more points. Good fry on the wing, but that sauce gives it a little bit more of an X factor. The inside of that wing there is fried properly. Not over fried, not too dry, nicely crispy. Inside is super tender. Okay, pretty good experience. All right, I'm not even gonna stretch this out anymore. All right, so time for me to head home. I am freezing my nuts off. It's super cold out here now. We're heading into winter. But yeah, my honest opinion, like, so let's put in a couple factors. So first of all, the price is not a bad price, but I've had Korean fried wings or Korean fried chicken before for like, what was it, like $8, $9. And yeah, for that, I think price really affects how you look at food. And based off that and the taste, it felt a little bit underwhelming, especially because I waited so long, like I mentioned before. But is it a quality fried chicken? Is it fried properly? Is the fried rice good? Yeah, it's definitely fried properly. Just make sure you come before 4:30 so you don't have an unnecessary wait. You don't have an unnecessary wait, because for that wait, I don't think it would really be like really worth the money and time. But apart from that, I had a really good experience. I can say that I've tried it before. And if you're ever in town or around this area and you want to get in on the fun as well, definitely check Baji Baji out and tell me what you think. If you've had the food before as well, drop it in the comments and let me know. All right, this little mini food tour was pretty fun. If you didn't check out the other 2 episodes, do check them out. You can see what I thought about the food there. It was pretty exciting for me, and it's gonna be the end of the day. Catch you guys on the next video. Remember to see things, love, nature, and adaptation. And always remember to keep the link. So the method of getting things back is gonna be in barrels. A lot of Jamaicans, like coming from the 70s, 80s, and even up to the 90s, even today's day, are barrel kids. What is a barrel kid?